to take a second to explain this chart real quickly. On the left is the Dunning window length. And that means if your Dunning window or cycle is between 1 and 7 days, then at least what we see here at Recurly, our merchant's median recovery rate is 47%. Vice versa, if you go up to like say 15 to 21 days, then their median recovery rate is 57.7%. Now, one key takeaway here, I'm sure you guys have noticed this, is the longer your Dunning cycle length, the higher your recovery rate. So I'm looking at this. If it's longer, I want my Dunning cycle to be 22 to 28 days. However, like I said earlier, every company is different, and you know your customers better than anyone else. So the best way to determine your actual Dunning window is really to experiment with different lengths to see what gets the best results for your company. You could definitely use these benchmarks as a good baseline starting point and then tweak it from there. But I do want to share with you some reasons why you may actually not want a longer Dunning cycle.